Have a seat. There's no smoking in here. Bad habit.
Yeah, I don't remember when I picked it up.
So, Mr. Fargo, you ready to tell us what happened?
I told you what happened.
What you've told us is that you remember killing Alyssa Brinks, but you didn't do it. To us, that doesn't make any sense.
Well, that's what happened.
Do you remember anything else that happened?
I remember I couldn't speak.
Don't fucking... Come on. I'm fucking kill you, man!
I got kids!
Shut your face!
I'll take them!
Fucking kill you! Fuck. Stay there.